Hey, it's Trevor here. I hope you're very well today. It's Monday in the UK and it's one grim summer we're having. It's been raining, it's pretty cold. Well, not cold, but it's like 17 degrees and it's just not summer. But I am not going to complain because this is a wonderful life and we're here on the amazing planet Earth. We need to make the most of every single day that we've got. And before we get stuck in, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please click on the like button for me and say hello to me in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little notification bell. So today what I'm going to be doing is going to be talking to you about how you can make $600 per day with affiliate marketing and the secrets to that. So it's not going to be a long video. It's going to be quite a quick video, but just hang around to see what I've got for you on this one. Now, if you look at the screen on here, you're going to see some of my recent earnings popping up. So obviously slightly more than $600 per day. And that is all from the comfort of my own home here in the UK, or in my cabin if I'm out in the cabin, in the home office, if I'm inside the house, in the conservatory, or I can be anywhere in the world. And that it really is the power of this business. Now, as an affiliate marketer, there are two major challenges that we face. I mean, there's quite a few actually, but there are two particular ones. They're different, but yet they're both the same. And they both lead to the same outcome, which is cash. Now, these two challenges are traffic, and can you guess what the next one is? I'll give you a second. Traffic and lead generation. So if you can generate regular traffic and consistently build leads, then you are definitely on your way to cracking it as an affiliate marketer. The thing is with traffic is that if you can get people who are interested in the thing that you're talking about over to the page where you're presenting it, you're selling it, you're doing your review, if you can match up those two things, then you're going to earn affiliate commissions. And if you can build leads through the traffic that you get through to your pages, then the beauty of that is that you can use those leads to follow up, and so you can generate more traffic. And that's about not wasting the traffic. It's really crucial that any traffic that comes onto your site, you try to capture it as best you can. You want to do that in a way that is not going to interrupt them too much, because at the end of the day, if you're looking to make an affiliate commission, then obviously you want them to make the purchase of the thing that they've come onto that page for. But if you can subtly get them to opt in, and maybe opt in for a free gift, for example, then that's going to be a good thing for you, because then you can use that list, that email address, over and over and over again, and literally you send traffic on demand, and that's how you earn your affiliate commissions when you want to. Now, in order to do this, we need to solve, in fact I should say, what do you need to do to solve the two challenges of getting traffic and that lead generation, building your list? Well, one way to get traffic is to build a website. Build a kind of blog website and then fill it up with unique content that's regularly updated. So, you start from scratch, you register your domain, you get your hosting, you put your WordPress theme on there, and then you start posting in the niche that you're in. So whatever that is, it does help, I think, to a certain extent, if you're actually interested in that niche that you've chosen, because if you've got to write loads and loads about it, if you know about it and you're interested about it, it's easier to write. If you know nothing about it at all, you've got to go and find all the material, so that can be a bit trickier. But I guess in general, the whole concept does sound a bit tricky, because for us to, if we're going to do that, I mean, we're kind of starting from scratch, building a website, putting the content on there, putting fresh content on there daily. It's very time consuming. But once you've got the website and all the content on there, lots of organic traffic, you would then need to come up with some irresistible giveaways in order to build your list. I call these sometimes ethical bribes. They're lead magnets, and they're giveaways that you say, look, give me your name and email address and I will give you this. Now, that has to be a really valuable looking thing, because I tell you, it's not easy to get someone's email addresses these days. They will protect them because they don't want spam, and they don't want a ton of emails coming in full of rubbish that they're never going to read, and they'll do what they can to avoid that. So it needs to be something that is definitely of high value, and something that you can tempt them with so that they don't have to think too much about it. So all that is pretty simple, right? Well, no, it's not. It's not, is it? I've got to be honest with you, it's not simple. Building a website, putting the content on there, finding the content, building the opt-in pages, the squeeze pages, finding the giveaways, creating the irresistible ethical bribe, etc. Yes, you can do it, and yes, it will work, but it does have a very steep learning curve, especially if you're starting from scratch, and it's going to take a lot of work, and it's going to take a lot of ongoing work. But don't panic, because I actually have a really, really fantastic solution for you, and this is super easy, and it's also very fast and effective. New one-click Sniper software creates unlimited content, unlimited lead magnets, builds unlimited email lists, and gets unlimited viral traffic on autopilot while earning you commissions every day. Does that sound good or good? Well, this is the latest release from my friends Mosh Barry and Jason Fulton, and it solves everything in an all-in-one cloud-based solution. SniperProfixPro. I always struggle to say that second word when they do that. They put an X in there and it sort of looks like it should be profits, doesn't it? But SniperProfixPro. See how this fully automated sniper site earns $655.25 in commissions in just 30 days without any manual work. Now that to me sounds really, really exciting, because $655 isn't life-changing, but if you've got 10 of them, I think it probably could make a big difference to most of us. And why stop at 10? Also built a list of 350 new leads for free, and that's really, really powerful, because as I said, you can follow up time and time again with that, and without writing any content or creating a single opt-in page ever. I mean, come on, you got to admit that sounds like what we're looking for, right? And look at the results these guys are getting. This is from their ClickBank account. Now I don't know about you, but that to me looks like a healthy ClickBank account. I wouldn't mind seeing my ClickBank account. Doesn't look anything like that, so I wouldn't mind seeing that. And this is from their Warrior Plus account, so they're up to sort of nearly $300 a day on Warrior Plus using just one sniper site. That is life changing. All right, without a shadow of a doubt. These are the commissions that they've brought in from different sniper sites. As you can see, from 3 different sniper sites, $1,163 in a day, $655 in a day, $437 in a day. Pretty impressive, I must say. So what I've done is I've got a video here of Mosh, who's going to give you a couple of minutes just to tell you exactly what SniperProfixPro is. So take it away, Mosh.
So what is SniperProfixPro? SniperProfixPro is a cloud-based app that solves the biggest problems of affiliate marketers: traffic and lead generation. So here is how SniperProfixPro generates traffic and leads virally 100% free. First, when your visitors visit your website, they are offered with a freebie, and in order to take the freebie, they have to sign up to your mailing list, and immediately they are able to download their freebie, and at the same time they are offered with a unique tracking link, and if they share this unique tracking link with predetermined numbers of visitors. These visitors can be their friends, their family members, their Facebook friends, their Twitter contacts, their personal contacts, or anyone at all, and generate visitors through their link to your website. Then the system will reveal more gifts, more offers, more rewards for them. So this rewarding system encourages visitors to generate more visitors for you. And when more visitors will visit your website, they get the same offer, they sign up, and they get more rewards if they share their unique tracking links with their friends and families and contacts. So every visitor generates more and more visitors and leads virally 100% free. And that's how it works. Now the next problem is a website. Your customers don't have a website. And the next problem is the content. And the next problem is a freebie to offer to generate leads. Am I right? Well, all the problems are solved from inside SniperProfixPro dashboard. SniperProfixPro will build blogs on any niche by fetching content from Wikipedia using only a keyword, and creates freebies with a button on the post. When the visitors click on that button, they will be able to generate the PDF version of the blog post. And to download the PDF version, they have to sign up. And when they sign up, they are offered with a unique tracking link, and the tracking link will be shared for more traffic, for further gifts, and that's how it works. So website, content, freebie, viral traffic, leads, everything is done from inside SniperProfixPro dashboard.
So as you can see, this is pretty exciting stuff, and it solves all that, saves you from having to do all that kind of, the whole building of the website and the content and the giveaways and the opt-ins, the squeeze pages, the lead magnets. All that stuff is tedious and it's going to just bog you down. Whereas with SniperProfixPro, you can literally just get this up and running and let it run on autopilot. Now, OTOs, as you know, I like to give you guys the full lowdown on the OTOs too, so there are no surprises for you. I know what it feels like when you say, right, okay, I'm going to go for that, Trev. I'll have that. That sounds really good, but I don't want to be sold any upsells. I just want the front end product and all that. Well, the upsells are your opportunity to maximize the front end purchase. Usually what they do is make things easier, faster, and just get better results, but you don't have to get them. All right. But if you want them, these are the upsells. Okay, so number one, we've got SniperProfixPro Unlimited Profits Edition. It's $67. And it says that SniperProfixPro will save you time, money, and make it even easier to build fully automated self-updating profit sites that make money and earn you commissions every single day. In fact, just one automated site can make you $500 per month. I like that because I'm thinking $500 per month, set one up here. Before you know it, you've got $5,000 or $10,000 per month coming in on autopilot. Now, with the standard edition comes with a 10-site license with unlimited profits. They did think about giving 50 to 100 licenses, but this is now unlimited. It's the unlimited edition. If you take advantage of this upgrade, then you have the ability to create unlimited, fully automated, self-updating commission sites that make you money daily. So that one is probably one of my favorite OTOs because I don't like to have restrictions on what I can do. If something's working for me, I like to scale it and do as many as I can. So that's the Unlimited Profits Edition. Now we've also got the Deadliest Secret Trigger, which is $97. There's a downsell on that to $77. And it says here, what if there was a way to generate some quick and easy cash with SniperProfixPro? Well, I like quick and easy cash. That always floats my boat. And what if there's a way to scale your income much higher? Well, using this hidden treasure, you can profit instantly with just a few simple tweaks. You can immediately boost your profits by 50, 100 times or even more. I mean, that's a bold claim, I've got to say, but there obviously is something in this for them to be able to say that. Inside the upgrade, they're going to share with you the #1 high income skill to help you quit your job and make potentially $100,000 a year from home using SniperProfixPro. Proven to be the fastest way to consistently bank big money online by using their deadliest secrets to build a highly profitable email list. So that is the upgrade number 2, the Deadliest Secret Trigger. Then we've got the Done For You Money sites. Now, how would you like all the work done for you while generating huge commissions completely hands-free? Done for you is always a favourite of mine. Yes, this is a reasonably large investment at $297, but it's going to allow you to run SniperProfixPro completely hands-free. They're going to build 20 live money sites for you, 20. So if you take the $297 and divide that by 20, if you divide it by 10, that would be $29.70 each. If you divide it by 20, you're looking at about $15 each site, which is for nothing. It really is incredible value. 20 hot, ready to go commission money sites. They'll set up for you completely hands-free. They're proven to generate commissions and make you money. Proven campaigns that you can plug straight in to get instant results. We compiled a list you can use straight out the gate. So that's the done for you option there. Then we've got the SniperProfixPro 1K paydays. This is $197, and here you discover the secret methods to generating 1K paydays using just this one simple technique without the need of a domain, website or hosting, which is all good. Doesn't it make more sense to do the same amount of work that you're doing now and get paid 50 to 100 times more? Well, now you can with the 1K paydays. So that's the upgrade. Then we've got Commission Jacker. There's quite a few upgrades in here, I've got to say. Commission Jacker is $77. What if you could take SniperProfixPro and turn it into an all-in-one video and website profit system? A complete business model automated in just 2 minutes by turning other people's websites into your own sales machines, legally and ethically. Well, this is Commission Jacker, and it says that with Commission Jacker, it's like stealing other people's websites to generate online profits for yourself. Okay. Then we've got the license rights. Definitely my all-time favorite, especially on a big funnel like this where there's so many upgrades, because you literally can make money hand over fist while you sleep with license rights. All you need to do is send traffic to the sales page for SniperProfixPro, and you're going to get every single penny that people spend through your traffic. I mean, it really is. I've said this before, I sell license rights in my products and I see the people that buy them making tons of money. It is definitely my favorite. So you can sell it as your own. It's as if it's the closest you can get to your own product without you having to do any work whatsoever. They take care of all the support. All you do is send the traffic and you keep all the money. Okay guys, so bonuses. Now the bonuses on this one, I've got 700k free monthly visitor, case study, get unlimited visitors, traffic from 1,000 sources, completely free traffic, never spend any money on traffic, 100% real. Also, Pinterest traffic app, drive unlimited traffic from Pinterest. Now Pinterest is massive, right? And the traffic that's coming through from there these days is incredible. So you're going to get to create stunning balls and pins specifically targeted to traffic. It's a click and forget solution, although it says there a solution. I think that's a solution, that's American for solution. And it's 100% newbie friendly. Also, the Pinterest marketing guide. This is a Pinterest marketing guide refined, learned from the gurus, proven methods for certain conversion, a total solution to driving traffic from Pinterest. Now, I've also got for you some other bonuses. Let me just go over here. So when you click through to my link, you're going to come through to this page where it says review and bonuses, Trevor Carr. And on here, you'll see the details of the product, etc., the video, everything that tells you all about it, all the details on the product. You actually see a little testimonial from me there as well, and you're going to then see the bonus details, and you're also going to see the extra bonuses. Now if you get any OTO, one OTO, you're going to get free traffic targeting getting software. You're going to get social media share buttons, stop slowing down your website and prevent ranking loose. Ranking loose? Don't know. Anyway, and you're going to get Instagram marketing guide and Instagram traffic app. If you buy any 2 OTOs, you'll get the funnel builder plugin, the most advanced funnel builder plugin on the planet. You also get the best niche research course, and you'll get Twitter traffic app, 30 niche products as well, 30 amazing niche products in a box with resale rights. So that's if you just get 2 OTOs. Okay, so that's the funnel there, guys. That's the OTOs and the bonuses. And that's the product, and you know, as you can see, it solves that big problem. It just makes things really easy. But what I love about this is that it's just hands off, hands free, and you literally just go about your life doing what you want to do, what you have to do, caring for those that you love, or going out and riding your bike, walking your dog, laying on the beach. You know, you wouldn't want to lay on the beach in today's weather, that's for sure. But whatever it is you want to do, this is one of those things that you can literally, and whatever you're focusing on at the moment, this is like you can just come in, set this up, set and forget, and then go back to what you're focusing on. So if you're worried about the shiny object syndrome and like, oh no, I've just bought this, Trevor, and I've just bought that, this is one of those things that you can just set up, and it's just going to run and pull you money in on a daily basis while you go back to what it is that you're working on, and that is only going to be good. So grab it now. Your bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. My name's Trevor Carr. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Say hello in the comments below, and I look forward to hear from you. Go and get it now, guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care. All the best, Trevor. If you've enjoyed this video, please click on the like button for me and say hello to me in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little notification bell.